All right, so here's the simple truth. A delicious roast beef sandwich is a tasty treat. Here's how to make the best one. First, choose good bread. A soft roll, like a French baguette or a ciabatta, works great. This bread should be sturdy enough to hold all the ingredients. Next, pick some juicy roast beef. You can use the leftover roast beef or buy sliced roast beef from the deli. So, it adds a more flavorful and it's better. Next, add some cheese. Cheddar, Swiss cheese. It melts nicely and it adds creaminess to the sandwich. You can also try provolone for different taste. I'll leave it in the description. For extra flavor, add some toppings. Sliced tomatoes, crunchy lettuce, pickles. They're all great choices. If you want to make, you might also want to add a horseradish sauce for a little kick. And finally, put everything together if you like, you can toast the sandwich in a pan to make it warm and melty. Just don't forget to serve it with a side of chips or a pickle, for the perfect meal. This roast beef sandwich is not only delicious, but it's filling, and it makes a great choice for lunch and dinner. So enjoy your tasty creation.